Let me teach you a secret 1-minute psychology trick to attract anyone by getting their attention and making them think about you. It's a simple trick that works wonders if you use it right. This trick is proven to work 98% of time. No matter if you know the person or not, if you use this technique in exact way, they will think about you and would like to start a conversation. The rule to attract anyone in one go by using these steps all together at one time: 5 steps. Let me teach you. The steps are: copy plus stare plus compliment plus smile plus touch. This is how you use them. 1. First of all, copy their body language by standing or sitting the way they are or the way they are keeping their hands on the table or the glass. 2. Look directly into their eyes to show confidence. Don't smile right away, instead move on to the third step. 3. Compliment them in higher praise by pointing out something detailed, for example, "Wow, I don't think I have seen such gorgeous hands before, small and cute." 4. Smile right away and then. 5. Touch them casually with a gentle touch, then say, "Oh, I forgot something, let me come back to you." Walk away and then show up after few minutes. This time they will be ready to talk. Try this method and let us know if this worked for you.